My name is Dr. Kelly Lancaster. I live in Bowie, Texas, and we live on a ranch with a bunch of horses and cows. I'm a chiropractor and also a clinical nutritionist. I've always been really impassioned about making someone else's life better. It's a pretty good day at work. But up until about 6 years ago, I had really no experience with essential oils at all. On May 24th of 2014, Dane, my youngest son, was involved in a horse injury. His horse was flipped and he was caught underneath and it crushed his skull.
In seconds, my goal in life was for Dane to live.
As I'm in the arena, on my knees, begging for the life of my child, I knew that it would take a miracle.
Because of Dane's brain injury, he was paralyzed on his left side. So his left arm and his left leg, that side of his body, did not function.
We were being told that Dane would probably live the rest of his life in a nursing facility. My thought of what our future was going to be changed literally in a heartbeat.
As a mother, I struggled with significant fatigue, just stress and worry. What did the future hold for Dane? I found myself not even able to take care of myself because my only focus had to be him. Emotionally, I became very stressed, very overwrought. I knew I needed solutions, and oils very much helped me with that. The more I learned about oils, the more I learned about the great power and support that they could offer. I knew that I had to incorporate this into our family and into our lives. A friend of ours showed me how doTERRA could be part of what we offered our patients. It became something that we got very excited about, the opportunity to help someone else in this way.
When she started implementing the doTERRA products into her practice, I knew that the quality had to be there because I know her, I know my wife, I know that she would never sacrifice quality for any reason. That's her top priority.
We diffuse through our clinic every day. On Guard is going in every treatment room. We use great volumes of Deep Blue in my office. This has been how we introduce patients to doTERRA so that they are well and they stay well.
After Dane's injury, they told us because of the area of his brain that was injured, he would probably never speak again. The very next day after they told us this, Dane started talking.
What color is Rudy? What?
What color's Rudy?
Brown.
Yes! That's right! That's right! He's brown. Give me a high five.
Oh my goodness! Dane, that's awesome, buddy!
I used to tell him in the hospital, if he ever spoke, I would never tell him to be quiet again, and I've regretted those words many times.
Now Dane is 17. He's living the life of a teenager.
He started not only competing, but he started winning. He started getting faster. He started getting stronger. All those hopes and dreams that I had for him pre-injury are starting to come back because he's just improving so much.
If you came to me asking me if doTERRA would be a good choice for you, I would tell you absolutely. For us, it's been life-changing. Not only from a personal perspective, but from a business perspective. It's changed how we do everything. doTERRA has been our restoration, and I know it can change other people's lives too.